welcome to another educational episode on crypto option. In this video I will be showing you a simple high win rate parabolic SAR strategy. The parabolic SAR is also known as the stop and reverse strategy. It's a simple to use trend indicator that does a very good job in providing us with both entry and exit signals. It also helps to determine trend direction and reversals. It appears as a series of dots on the chart screen when applied. How can we reach this parabolic SAR strategy? I'm going to be taking you through step-by-step guide on how to reach the parabolic SAR indicator. Now, the parabolic SAR indicator, when applied to the charts, it's more of dots on the screen. And when we have the dots above the charts, it's just telling us that we are going to be having a bearish price movement, and when we have it below the price chart, it's telling us that we are going to be having a bullish price movement. Let's quickly add it to our chart and I show you how it works. All you have to do to add it to your chart is to go to the indicator section and you search for the parabolic SAR. Searching for the parabolic SAR and adding it to the screen, it automatically displays on your screen and you exit the indicator section. Looking at my screen, you can see a series of dots on my charts. These dots, it's not useless, it's actually very meaningful, and that is the parabolic SAR on your charts. Then how can you use it? How can you use it to generate signals? How can you use it to make profits? How can you use it to enter a trade and to exit a trade? Now I'll be taking you through step-by-step guide on how to do that. Looking at this, when we have the parabolic SAR applying or showing below price chart, let's take for example starts forming at this point. When we have the parabolic SAR start forming at this point, it's just indicating that we are going to be having a bullish price movement or a push of price to the upside. That is when we have it displaying or starts forming below the price chart. Now when we have the parabolic SAR forming above your price chart, all it's just trying to tell us is that we are going to be having a bearish price movement. Take for example the way we have at this particular point. You can see the parabolic SAR dot started forming above the price chart, and when we have it start forming above the price chart, we have a push to the downside, and that is how the parabolic SAR gives us trend indications or tell us what is going to happen next. Now, how can you use this parabolic SAR to trade? It is very simple. All you have to do is that when the parabolic SAR starts forming below your charts, you need to confirm properly if it's actually a false signal or a true signal. Now, to know this, all you have to do is that when it starts forming, you wait for 3 dots to form and you enter the trade immediately from that point. When you enter the trade immediately from that point, you have your stop loss below your entry or below where the parabolic SAR dot starts forming, and you target the next prices. Now, targeting the next higher prices, all you have to do to know your exit point is that when the parabolic SAR starts forming above the charts, immediately you start seeing the parabolic SAR dot above the chart, you exit your long or your buy trade at that particular point. Now look at it, we are taking a buy from this point, we open the trade from this point, our stop loss at this point, and we are taking our profits at this point, and that is a good profit. Now when you are taking a sell trade or you notice that the trend is actually bearish, all you have to do is that when the parabolic SAR start forming, as I said, you allow it to give you multiple confirmation, more like forming 3 dots before you entering the trade. Now when the 3 dots successfully forms, all you have to do is to enter that trade at that point and you have your stop loss above the parabolic SAR dots. Immediately you notice that we have the parabolic SAR dots forming below, you close the trade immediately and you lock your profits. That means you enter the trade from this point, you have your stop loss above and you have a push to the downside, securing your profits with this particular move. Now the parabolic SAR is very dangerous to trade in a ranging market. Now, when we have a ranging market, the parabolic SAR is very dangerous, as it will be indicating some form of signals, but these signals might actually be false signals because we are in a ranging market. Now, looking at this, you see that the trend is not actually clear at this point, and you can see we have the parabolic SAR showing above and below the charts in this particular region. Now, it's showing above and below the chart. You can see that the price movements are actually very short, and you won't be able to catch good moves or make good profits here. So when you notice something of this nature, all you have to do is to stay away from the price charts. All these points are not good one to trade, so you actually let it be. But now, when you notice we have a trending market, more of we are in an uptrend. Let's take for example, we are in a trending market, an uptrend, price is moving to the upside, or we have price being bearish moving to the downside, then you can trade the parabolic SAR. But when price is actually ranging at a point, it is very dangerous to trade. Now let me show you some couple of examples before we round up this session. Now, taking a look at this point, you can see we also have the parabolic SAR forming below the charts here. Immediately, all you have to do is to take a buy trade. After some couple of dots, you have your stop loss below it, and you look forward to taking profits at the next high prices, or when you notice that we have the parabolic SAR dots forming above, and you close your trade. Now look at this, we have price ranging at this point, which is very dangerous to take any trade at this point. All you have to do is to stay away from the markets when you notice something like this. And for the downtrend, it's very easy. When the parabolic SAR starts forming above the price charts, then you know that it's an indication that price is going to go lower. Take a look at this. We have an example where price starts dropping, and before price starts dropping, we have the parabolic SAR dots already forming above. So you should open a trade from this point, have your stop loss above it, and you target some profits. Now, the parabolic SAR is not a strategy that gives you 100% win rate. As you know, all strategies is not an holy grail. We have some losses, you would encounter some losses, but be rest assured that you make good profits with this particular strategy. And that is everything on the parabolic SAR. See you in the next episode.